What's up guys, Model Airport Nation here, and today I'm back with another awesome unboxing here. Today I have a brand new release here from TINYTUG Designs. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got here today. There we go, TINYTUG action right here. Really cool. All right, what do we got here? It looks like some Southwest 1 to 400 Hertz. Awesome. If you guys are looking for awesome model airport GSE, look no further than TinyTugDesigns.com. They offer a wide range of realistic airport vehicles for your model airports. So I highly recommend checking them out, guys. They have helped me out very much in making my airports look super realistic. So highly recommend them, guys. And also Clipper models as well. Link in the bio. Let's head over to the eBay. TinyTugs.com to be exact, where they sell their products. Lots of variety as you can see here, guys. True 1 to 400 scale. Again, guys, link in the bio. Thank you. Now back to the video. More like new release. They've had these out for a while now, but new to me, I would say. So go check them out, guys. Link in the bio. All right, awesome. Definitely be getting a lot more of these. Just kind of testing them out right now to see. And we also have our NWA Northwest Airlines GSE here that I'll be using for my MSP layout here. I guess MSP Detroit, but either one you wanted to do, guys. Your imagination is your world. Yeah, so I think that that does it for this layout here, guys. But check it out. I better just dump some of this out here in the Southwest area. So I can show you guys. I'll be putting my my MSP up in a bit. I also do have a full MSP coming from Tarmac Designs, so stay tuned for that. We'll probably have the terminals for MSP, all of them, long before we even get to having MSP like a layout, a larger layout at least. We'll have the T2 here, but let's get these guys. Also, we have LAX here, guys. You can see the making. It's a little cramped right here, so I got to push it out a little bit more. But yeah, it's pretty cool for what it is, guys. 1 second here. All right, guys, we got Southwest GSE here. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I already want more of it. Look at that, guys. Southwest Airlines at your service here. I don't know if there's a bright future for Southwest Airlines in the United States, given some of the news I've been hearing lately online, but we'll see. I only fly Delta, so it doesn't really affect me too much, but for those of you that do fly on Southwest, might impact you. I do find Southwest Airlines to be a really cool airline. I love all the airplanes and the different liveries, though, and I do respect the airline. It's really cool, so flew Southwest a lot. When I was little. It's a fun airline to fly on when you're a little kid. Get to pick any seat you wanted to, but now I hear it's different now than what it used to be. A lot of things are different now than they used to be. But yeah, pretty cool. Look at that. Really happy. Thank you, TinyTugs. Also have this. Let's get these guys on the layout here. Gosh, guys, I can't talk today. All right, guys, TinyTugs to the rescue here. Absolutely amazing. Oh, wow. I am really impressed. This is amazing, guys. Give me all of your GSE. This is literally making my airport dream come true here of Southwest at LAX. Yeah, so now we need about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10 more sets, and we'll be good to go. But yeah, pretty cool, guys. Thank you, TinyTug Designs, for your hard work. TinyTug Designs is currently a one-man show as of April 2025. They do awesome work here, so I recommend you guys go check them out for all your model airport needs, I will say. That's kind of my quote there, right? For all your model airport needs. You guys can go get them there. I'll be sending more of LAX up here soon. I'm just currently in the process of going to be doing some secret unboxings here, guys, so stay tuned. So just a lot in the works right now. I've kind of got my layout pulled back here. because we're going to be doing some more unboxings, and then we'll get on and we'll roll this layout out and do a full LEX review. I do have a different mat coming too, so I'll be able to split these on each side, so I'll be able to have like Southwest and United. So guys, it's all planned out, so just stay tuned. Thank you for being patient. Again, guys, Model Report Nation here, and thank you guys for joining me again today. Again, TINYTUG Designs, guys. I'll put their link in the bio here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, Instagram, TikTok, Model Report Nation. Of course, right here on YouTube, guys, Model Report Nation. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy collecting.